I beg to differ, sir.
Let's see the update on the French riots. Boutiques and ATMs continue to be looted in Marseille. The situation in Lyon. France has fallen into utter chaos with riots, bus depots being set on fire, and now 40,000 officers have been deployed. Rioters in France burning down a public bus depot with dozens of buses in it. Public service will suffer in the coming months, and low-income parents will have trouble getting to work. Rioters in France hijack a truck and use it to demolish their city. Holocaust memorial in France being desecrated in riots. France is falling into utter chaos. Someone just drove into a shopping center and everyone is looting the store. France is getting destroyed.
Au nom de Dieu, l'action c'est vrai, elle a brûlé. Voilà, c'est chaud, la chaud. Voilà, c'est chaud, ouais. Au nom de Dieu. Ah non, c'est délicat, c'est vrai. Voilà, c'est délicat, c'est vrai.
Some of the rioters in France assert their dominance of the streets by firing their illegal automatic weapons in the air. The French gangs are better armed today than ever, making the job of the riot police even more dangerous. Well, it's time for the army then, ha Macron, or you are waiting to lose your country.
So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you go down and hit subscribe. Definitely like it. It helps that YouTube algorithm. You know what I'm talking about? See what I'm saying?